Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what? Today, NARS, everything NARS. Like seriously, this brand new Air Matte Blush is phenomenal. Let's check it out. Hey guys, if you love videos just like this one, help a girl out. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, let's get into it. So you guys know how much I love NARS as a company. I think that their palettes are super brilliant and amazing. I love the shadows, the quality of the company. It's so good. So I'm super excited to use this brand new liquid orgasm blush because, right, for the season going into spring, summer, a liquid blush is everything. It's a staple in every girl's makeup drawer. So today's look is basically all NARS products. I will list them in the description box down below for you guys. But I went in with this palette right here. This is the NARS Orgasm eyeshadow palette, and I basically used all of these shades on my eyes right now, so I just have this beautiful pink gold moment happening for you guys. And then I went in with this palette right here, which is also from the NARS Orgasm X collection, and we went in with this one right here, and this is the Most Fabulous highlighter. I love this highlighter. I actually put this on the inner corners in my eyes, and I love this highlighter. So we will definitely go in with this after when we have on our liquid blush. This is it right here. So this is the NARS Air Matte Blush, and this is the color Orgasm. And this says it has a 12-month shelf life. Oh, this is pretty. That is a big jar. I mean, I like that it's a big jar. All right, guys, we don't need this. This is actually really big. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I guess I wasn't expecting it to be small either, but I actually love the size. So this is completely a glass component, plastic lid. Love that. Oh my gosh, guys, this color, right? So cute. To pick up the product from out of the component, I'm actually going to use a little spatula right here. So I'm just going to pick up, it's very creamy. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm just going to pick up a little bit. I'm going to place that on the back of my hand, just like that. Now, using the sponge that I use to apply my foundation and concealer, I'm actually going to use this. So this is pre-moistened, and this is the top, and this is the butt. So I'm actually going to go in with the butt of the moistened sponge. I'm actually just going to pick up some of that blush on the butt of my sponge. I'm actually just going to go in and apply that to my cheekbones. Now you could totally go in with your finger if you wanted to, but for me, when I'm applying a liquid blush, I like to have something that is more like pliable, just like this. That color is beautiful. I'm gonna go in and deepen that up. So I'm just gonna pick up some more product, place that on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna pick that up on the back of my sponge, just like that. And I'm just tapping this onto my cheekbones. Okay guys, so as I'm tapping this in, the product is very soft, it's very pliable, there's no shimmer to it. It's like, honestly, it looks like there's some shimmer to it on the back of my hand, but it's not. It's actually a very matte consistency. It's going on and drying down. It's still a little tacky, but it is really pretty. Like stunning, like beautiful. And so easy to apply. Now I'm just going little by little and building it up, but you guys can see the before and after, how beautiful that is. Wow, like I'm shook. Like I'm so shook. Like I'm excited about this for summer. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more of that product, and if you wanted to, you could go in with your finger, I guess, and pick up the product and then put it on the back of your hand if you wanted to. I just feel this is a more sanitary way of doing it. Plus, normally your girl has claws and she's gonna get them back in a couple of days, but this product is scent-free. It is just stunning. Like I really love this. I'm gonna go in, do the other side, and I will be right back and I will give you the final score. Starting with application. All right, This applied like a dream. Like it just went on so buttery, so smooth. I had lots of workability time. The pigment, everything about it, it is stunning. So 10 out of 10. Next up, Pigment. All right, this is gorgeous. Like I wouldn't expect anything less from NARS for a cream orgasm, you know, pot product for their blush. Like this is absolutely stunning, and I have to give it 10 out of 10. All right guys, let's talk about value. So this product is coming in at $39 Canadian, and for $39 price point, it is on par with a lot of the brands out there, but there are a lot of brands like Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez's brand, and Fenty Rihanna's brand that are all coming in at the $25 to $29 price point for a similar product. But I do find in this pot you do get a bit more product, so for value I think it's actually a pretty good deal, except there are higher brands out there, and I mean it's completely on par with other brand new launches like the Merit brand that just launched this week, and I'm actually super excited to try that out. So if you want to see that video, make sure you've subscribed, and look forward to that coming soon. But I feel like for value for this, it's coming in at a decent mid-range price. I like it. I'm actually going to give it an 8 out of 10. All right, giving us a final score of 28 out of 30. Would I recommend this product? The answer is hell yes. It is gorgeous, like absolutely stunning, like the glow, right? This is a staple that everyone needs for the upcoming spring summer season, like especially when doing cream contour, cream highlight, cream, you know, bronzer, the whole thing. When you're doing that, you're definitely going to want to go in with a cream blush as well, make it look dewy and cohesive. This is stunning. So would I recommend it? The answer is yes. This comes in 8 different shades. It's great for all skin tones and skin types, and this is just beautiful. You guys know I have dry skin, and this looks phenomenal on me. Remember guys, if you love videos like this one, to hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. All right guys, until next time, live, love, and look blessed. Bye guys.